Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Today we get down and dirty with the Honda CB550K. We're going to spend a little bit of time giving it a nice bath. You guys may remember if you saw the latest video. That was the video we installed the Mikuni carb kit. And if you hadn't had a chance to check it out, please do yourself a favor. I think it's a great video, so check that out if you're interested in installing that carb kit, or even just seeing some mods that you can do on your 550. It's got just loads of just garage sitting on it. It's bad. It hasn't been cleaned or touched in quite some time. You can see here. I mean, look at this. Look at that coming off onto my finger. I mean, it's pretty crazy. So it hasn't been cleaned in a while. So we're going to go ahead and take care of this stuff. And if you tuned in to see some sexy person washing the motorcycle, that's not going to happen. We are going to be using AMMO NYC car care, and if you guys hadn't had a chance to check it out, AMMO NYC, Larry Casilla has this. He's got a great YouTube channel if you're into washing cars and detailing, and really his tagline, drive and protect. So it's really kind of cool. So we're going to set this thing up being non-sexy while we're washing the motorcycle. Again, if you tuned in for something other than, you may want to click off now, because this is totally safe for work. We're going to give it a quick rinse with the foamy paint cleaner, and then we're going to come back with the degreaser and the wheel cleaner and clean the wheels, and then give it another quick wash after. Again, it's not in bad shape. It's just been neglected, you know. Nothing's been cleaned, so. So I'm going to spray some of the wheel cleaner on, and then we're going to spray some of the Titan degreaser on this. I mean, again, like I said, this engine's not bad. It was just super dusty, so we'll get off. I do have to repaint, as you can see here. You can probably see I do have to repaint this side cover here because some of the fuel dripped off. I've got some other paint. I think I'm gonna pull off this side cover here, repaint that, and then repaint that side cover just to clean it up a bit. But for right now, we're just gonna clean it. Again, I am not an expert. This is a guy in his driveway washing a motorcycle. So, not an expert. That's why if you want expert content on this, please go see Larry at AMMO NYC. He's got a great YouTube channel. They do really pretty phenomenal restorations, and plus if you're into really exotic cars, he's got those to show. The good thing about motorcycles versus cars is you don't have a whole lot of surface to clean. The only bad thing is once I start washing motorcycles, it's kind of more than one. So when there's 13 of them here, you got to end up washing them all. So let me get this front wheel now that's had plenty of time to soak. Again, I don't think I'm going to go too crazy on these. I'm going to get it. Anything's better than where I was, right? The degreaser's had a chance to kind of sit and cook for a little while. Let's hit this guy again. There we go. Not too bad. Let me grab a microfiber towel, give it a little wipe, and see what happens. We are going to do the Reflex Pro ceramic coat on top of it, just to clean this up. But it's not bad. This was a home paint job. We did this ourselves with just some Rust-Oleum paint. It's got 2K clear on top of it, so this is all rattle can. So it's not awful. I think it's the best paint job on this motorcycle because there's not another one. So it's doing what you can with what you have. It was already painted black. I think this motorcycle was originally in 78. I think it offered in like a brown purplish color that they, and somebody had spray bombed it before, so I just sanded it down and spray bombed it myself, but I just decided to mask things off and make it look a little better. It needs a little bit more love. These gauges need some, so. But when you see it right there, it's not bad. Not bad at all. I think I'm going to go ahead and put the AMMO Reflex Pro on the tank while I clean the rest of it. Let it cure, and then I'll kind of wipe it off. We'll let this dry up really good. Make sure it's dry really good. Again, I don't know how to do this. I've only done the normal Reflex, but we'll do it and we'll see what happens. It looks pretty easy. You just wipe it on, let it cure, then wipe it off. It's like Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off. So I'm sure I should be able to handle that bit. So we're gonna get it and then see what we got. Let me grab it. I'm excited because this is the newer version of what they have, so it looks like it gives a whole lot more shine. So excited to find out. Let's get into this. See if I don't have my glasses, so that means I can't read instructions. So we're just going to go with it what it is. So it looks like you open it. Yep, I was right. And I guess you just put a couple of dots. Oh, this comes out way faster than the other one, the old one. So we'll put a couple of them on there. We'll actually stick this back in there so we don't, we'll put some of that on there. So we'll get that, we'll wipe it on here, and then we'll just wipe it on. Oh, this looks like it's going to do way better than the last one. No offense, the other one, the normal Reflex works great. I have it on pretty much all the motorcycles that are here in the garage, but it's not as thick as what this is. So again, I don't know how to do this. I'm just smushing it on because it looks like that's the right thing to do. And again, this isn't a car that I'm trying to cover the whole thing. I can do this in a hot second. It's going to be hard to miss a spot because it's the tank's not big. I don't know if you're supposed to do plastic, but I did. So do right in here. This is awesome. You know, with these single stage paints, it just makes such a difference in now that ceramic is actually a thing, because used to you couldn't do anything on top of it. So and you didn't want to clear coat these things. So doing this makes such a difference. It's like putting a clear coat on. You know, which is pretty amazing. So it's supposed to, looks like it's flashed off. And again, all I did was wash this. I probably should have a clay barred it or something like that to maybe even compounded it to get some stuff. But for what we can see in here, yeah, it looks like you got a pretty deep reflection. And this was rattle can paint with 2K clear on top of it. And then now it has this Reflex Pro on top of it. So this is going to be awesome. For something done in the garage, look, I don't complain about it because it's pretty awesome. So I'm going to get to finishing up. I'm going to put a little mud on the tires. We didn't spend a whole lot of time on this motorcycle, but looks pretty good. Not bad for a 1978, excuse me, CB550K. For this, looks good. Seats clean. Everything's good. It's not bad. Tires look good all the way through. I'd be happy to ride it. CB550K 1978, cleaned with AMMO NYC products. I think it looks awesome. So guys, thanks a lot for tuning in to another exciting episode of A Motorcycle Rewind. And if you like this kind of content, give us a subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.